Meaning of impregnation.
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 Impregnation. The term impregnation refers to the process of filling or saturating a material with another substance. This could involve adding a liquid, gas, or solid into the pores of the material in order to alter its properties or enhance its performance. Common applications of impregnation include waterproofing, strengthening, and preserving materials such as wood, concrete, and textiles. The result of impregnation is typically a more durable, resistant, and reliable material that can withstand harsh conditions without breaking down or deteriorating over time.